a walking tour this evening. This one's an option that we could do during the day or at night, but I think it's going to be really pretty at night with all the lights.
To get started, head east along the river to Elephant Trunk Hill. Each evening you can enjoy a light show for about $20 US, or you can keep it cheap by peeking through at the free viewing area. Make your way north along the Lee River to experience the local street food on your way to our next stop, the Sun and Moon Pagodas, also known as the Gold and Silver Pagodas. Join the many others out for a beautiful stroll around the lake. The walkway is a bit narrow, but worth the view. If your legs are tired, you can take the lake and river cruise for a small fee. Veer off the path at the north end of the lake and follow the sounds and smells to the main Pedestrian Street on Jungyang Road.
So we're over in Pedestrian Street. It is open during the day, but at nighttime it's all aglow and lots of people out walking for the evening. Food, shops, all sorts of fun stuff to look at.
No matter what you're looking for, you can probably find it here. From Chinese, Western, and street food to high-end shops and stalls of handcrafted goods. Take a minute to check out the craft stalls. They're packed with overpriced souvenirs and knickknacks. The shopkeepers are quite friendly and non-aggressive, but if you're planning to buy, be prepared to barter. Halfway down Pedestrian Street, keep an eye out for a small road on the right filled with food vendors. Head down that road into a small alley until you come across this fun little place. Here's where you can do a little dining adventure. Try an easy snack like grilled chicken wings, or be bold and pop in a fresh scorpion. I tried it. It tastes like potato chips.
There's no lack of places to eat. Everyone's out there flapping their menus around. Come eat here, check it out, see what we have to eat. So I found a place that looked pretty good, and it had something we've never tried before. We've eaten here a number of times, so I wanted to try this one thing that I've been seeing for a while. They served us a pitcher with some, she explained it as soup. It's very, it's a little spicy, a little bit of ginger to it. And we have a beer, the lychee, which is Guilin's local beer. Alright, and now for the main event. It looks like an omelet, but is it an omelet? We don't know. So it appears to be full of rice. It's really good. Fried rice omelet. And the sauce is ketchup. Yeah, ketchup. Good though.
Head back towards Pedestrian Street, but then cross right over it, through the parking lot to Central Square. These public squares are common in China, each one with its own individual flair. If you're opting to take this tour during the day,
it's just as good, it's just without the lights, but I would definitely check out this Little Hong Kong is what they call it. It takes up the entire area of the square below ground. It's a little shopping area. I got my nails done there. You can find all sorts of cool shoes and clothes, just a ton of stuff to buy and look around. It's different and fun.
If nothing else, pop down for a quick look and an easy way to cross the street.
It's time for the highlight of the walk. We're over here near the South Gate. It's one of the last remaining sections of the city wall here in Guilin. And all along the lake here is just beautiful lighting. There's a ton of people out here just on a romantic stroll. I've done a couple of nights out here with my fella and it's been really nice. Just really romantic and beautiful. here for our final stop of the evening at another night market. This one I haven't seen closed at any point, although it does say it doesn't open until 7. But we were here before 7 once and it was totally open. Anyways, we're at the night market. Just the last stop. Grab a Hong Kong waffle or a little snack and just enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much for watching. We are full-time digital nomads. To follow our adventure, check out our blog at theplaceswe.live and our other social media channels like Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram.